In today's video, stick around until the end. I bet after watching these, you'll keep your eyes glued to your doorbell camera at every movement. Glendale, Arizona. On a pitch-dark night, a woman suddenly appears on a porch.
Please. 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 I'm desperate.
Hi. It may take a moment to answer. Please
She
wait.
looks intoxicated and behaves erratically, flailing her arms and shouting for no reason.
Please. I need help. Please. Tens of millions. They're right now. Please. Can I come through? Please. I'm desperate. I'm desperate. Tens of millions of dollars. Please, can I come in for a minute? Please, I'm desperate. These are right there. Please. I know I look crazy right now. Because they're gonna those people right there. Look at right there. They're gonna please. I'm desperate. Please, I'm desperate. I know I look crazy because I'm dehydrated and I'm terrified. Please, I'm desperate. What? You're not gonna help me.
If the homeowner had let her in, it could have turned into a dangerous situation. Stay vigilant and never open your door without checking first. In Sacramento, California, a woman disturbs a family's peace.
Wallahi, have a great night. Falasta.
Just after the kids have fallen asleep. A Texas homeowner woke up one morning to find his gate wide open. Worried, he checked his security cameras and saw this: a person dressed as a clown, holding a knife, calmly roaming the property, peering through windows and testing every doorknob. This happened in 2016, during the height of the creepy clown craze, when pranksters delighted in scaring people. Yet such costumes also provided perfect cover for criminals aiming to break in or commit violent acts. After a few minutes, the clown left without accomplishing anything. Although the homeowner reported it to police, the suspect was never identified. Minneapolis, Minnesota. In the early morning, police descended on a yard on suspicion of illegal activity.
Attention occupants of 351831 Avenue North. This is ahead of the county sheriff conducting search warrant. I'm going this way. Occupants of 351831 Avenue North. This is the head of the county sheriff conducting search warrants. Show your hand and turn south to the nearest avenue. Attention occupants of 351831.
Officers remained on the scene for over an hour. No official statements have been released yet, but the operation drew widespread attention. In this clip, a man prays for protection in what appears to be a haunted house. What happens next will shock you.
Yeah, I'm gonna start playing now. Yep. Alright. Bye-bye. Bye. Alright. Oh. Okay, in the name of the Father, Son, and the Holy Spirit, I ask you, Jesus, for healing in this home. I ask you to take these demons away from my house. Leave my house now! Leave my house!
South Ozone Park, New York. A widowed landlord tried to evict a tenant who hadn't paid rent for 18 months. Instead of leaving, the woman fought back with threats, claiming she had a cop friend who would protect her. Then this happened.
You don't open the door, I'm just gonna take the door. Open the door. I know you hear me and I know you're home. Open the door. My last attempt, but I'm taking the door down. Up to you. Open the door. Ma'am, open the door or I'm taking the door. I'm giving you one last chance. Open the door. Open.
No, I'm not. I just want to pay attention.
In this surveillance clip, you can see a bear looking for some fun on a backyard trampoline. Who do you think will foot the repair bill? Another video shows a woman strolling slowly onto a porch. Her behavior seems odd and detached until a car drives by. She freezes for a moment, adjusts her posture as if trying to blend in, then carries on. Once the car disappears, she turns back and approaches the doorbell camera, almost as if she's about to bite it. The homeowner later said he had never seen her before, and she was never spotted on the property again. Before we move to the next story, hit like and subscribe so you're the first to see what's coming. And if you've got a surveillance clip of your own, email us at the address in the description. Charlotte, North Carolina. A man attempts to break in using a tool.
The police are being called. Remove yourself now.
The moment he hears those words, he bolts. Always keep your doorbell cam on watch. The next doorbell cam clip reveals the terrifying start of a fire. First, you see a distant glow. Then flames rush toward the neighboring house and into the camera's view. The homeowner was fast asleep when his phone buzzed with motion alerts. Jumping out of bed, he hit play and watched the blaze unfold. He grabbed a fire extinguisher and ran outside to fight the flames himself. Sadly, the fire was too fierce to control alone, so he had to retreat through the back. Thanks to those timely alerts, he escaped safely. His doorbell camera literally saved his life that night. A woman was filming her doorbell feed on her phone when, out of nowhere, a branch snaps into frame, giving her a huge fright. In the corner of the shot, you can see a bird flutter off the limb. It was a funny moment, but one that took her breath away.
Oh my god, I think I'm on the doorbell! This is gonna be great!
In San Diego, a doorbell cam catches what looks like an ordinary door-to-door salesman. He rings once, then stands patiently waiting. The homeowner asks over the intercom what he wants. He says he's looking for the Robinsons at number 712, but this is house 721. After being told of the mix-up, he apologizes and leaves.
This is the Robinson's residence at 712?
No, you're at the wrong house. It's 721.
Oh, I apologize for that.
Uneasy, the homeowner called the police. Shockingly, authorities revealed this same man is suspected in at least 19 burglaries using the salesman ruse to break in. A doorbell cam records a masked stranger approaching the front door. His movement triggers the recording. You see him test the doorknob, find it locked, and knock softly. He waits a few seconds, then pulls his sleeve over his hand to wipe away any fingerprints before slipping away in silence. The homeowner says she doesn't recognize him and has never seen him before. You've reached the end of today's compilation. If these clips gave you chills, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more shocking doorbell footage. Drop a comment with your favorite moment and share your own stories. See you soon. Until then, stay alert.